Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have a video of something that I discovered on accident. So, first I want to show you, I've taken the little bingo card, I've attached it here. I put some heart shape little cutouts, punch outs, and then I made a flag over the free space and made it so you could still see free. And these were pieces of washi tape that I made the flag out of. And then I had made a tuck spot using this little baseball from the calendar and this flag and this heart. So these two were just open, but I really didn't, I liked it, but I wanted to do more. So what I did is I did a collage, and it is a pocket. So it is a large pocket tuck space thingy. Okay, so I have another spot, and I thought I would show you real quick how I made it. So this is the center of the signature. I've now turned it into a large pocket on one side, and the other side is the back of the calendar. So I thought I would go ahead and kind of re-show you what I have done. So I have some of the digital kit that I have printed out, and I'm going to show you, these are the pieces that I have left. And, oh, we haven't used the human flag anywhere. And we've got a couple of her. And we have the bell. Okay, so the next thing I want to do real quick is just look and see what I've used nearby. So the Star Spangled Banner is clipped here. And at the end of this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a ticket. Actually, I'll make a separate video today. But I had someone ask, and rather than going back and trying to find the video where I made the ticket, I'm going to go ahead and I will make the ticket paperclip, and that will be a video that will be called Ticket Paperclip. So it'll be easier to find. Okay. Flat ticket paperclip. So now let's go this other way. So she's in the pocket here. A Keep Cool, which we've used all the Keep Cools. So I think we're good. We pretty much can use anything in this area. I think we're good. Now, a lot of times I don't like to use an image more than once, but with the 4th of July, I am liking to use them, and I really like this flag one. So I think I'm gonna probably want to use that, and I really like the scallop. We have the ticket. And the other thing that this does is it makes this page substantial, so that when you're turning the page, it turns really well. I mean, it holds really well. So we have a heart with a flag. We're going to want something up here. You know what? Let's put the boy, the flag. So now we need something over in this area, and we can use, oh, I like that. Wonder if we can put one of those stickers that, of course, I just put away. They've been sitting over here, and now, oh, I found some more. Oh, it's another boy. Okay. So I'm going to want something probably, okay, we could have the flag come all the way to the edge over here. And it's okay for some of this to go off the edge, I believe. Okay, as far as little ones, the only little ones I have left are the boy. So what we might do is take the boy out, maybe put the girl. It says summer. And another variation of the flag. So now remember, when I did this on the other one, I started out, this was, the base was already here, and then I just went and added to it. And of course you can do this on a paper and then put the paper in, but I didn't do it that way. So I'm showing you how I did it, and you know, you can try it that way, or of course always can. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. So then I just come back and start gluing the top pieces to the bottom pieces. So I'm going to want this to be on here. Okay. And I'm going to want we're going to glue this and this to the flag. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to glue it down. So I'm just going to put a thin edge along here, and I'm going to glue it down. I'm going to check this, make sure that there's no glue coming out from under those pieces, and I'm just going to glue this down. Okay, so that gives me the beginning of my pocket, and you could just put that there and have a tuck spot, no problem. But I want more. So, so next I want the ticket, and I want it to go off a little bit. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of glue here, carefully. So it really is, on this, I do one piece at a time. Okay, and about now I would come in and put something in just to make sure I'm not gonna stick my pocket to the. Okay, so I want to be able to see the word summer. So I'm going to go ahead and put an edge from the flag piece, and that little flag piece came from the thumbnails that were on the back of the little tiny calendar, and calendars are starting to come out. So those little calendars, some of those came, sometimes they were, you know, like an extra calendar in with the larger calendar. But calendars are starting to show up because school supplies are getting put out. And that's usually when calendars start showing up, is when school supplies go out. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit over here so that the ticket is holding there and there. Okay. So it's just a little collage is what we have going here. I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of glue on those two pieces. Again, we're going to make sure that this is not sticking to anything yet. Yet. I did say that, didn't I? I said yet. Okay, and then we were going to put the little boy down here. And so we can go ahead, and on him, we can go ahead and do an L. Okay. Actually, let's do a, no, we'll do an L. I was going to say, you could do a U. You could have him glue down over here. Okay. So there is our little collage. And then if you have something else that you want to add, kind of like the heart. Or we could put the, put the heart. So just so you know, I'll show you again when I do the full walkthrough of this journal, but I also used some of those papers that I had picked up in a, when I got a magazine at Barnes & Noble's. It came with a set of papers. It had this, so you'll see these pieces are throughout. It had 2 of these, and then on the other side it had it's printed on the other side. And so I saved another set so I can make another one of these. As I divided the set in half. So like this paper is from that that magazine that I had gotten at Barnes & Noble. Okay, let's see. I just think I want something up here in the middle. Yeah, I'm going to put that. I want something up there in that black space there. Okay, so like I said, this was an accident. On the original one, it had the 2 bottom pieces with the heart, and then I was like, oh, I just didn't like it. And this back paper is certificate paper. And here I've used some of the washi tape and one of the hearts, and then one of those stickers that now, of course, I can't find the sheet of them. But I used that there. So there is our little collage pocket, and it is ready for, we can put something in there and hold it. And we're going to leave this paper in here just so that we don't end up with our pocket not being a pocket anymore. I'm going to look one more time for those stickers. And a lot of the items that you see me use in this book were available in, in the kits. I did also, I forgot, I saved this. This was off of Fruit Loops, and it had a flag and the Olympics. So I saved it, and I thought, oh, I can use that in my book, and I almost forgot. So we'll put that aside. So it's kind of one of the fun things about a junk journal is, you know what, I'm going to just staple that right there on that page. Two staples, because that makes it look like it was on purpose. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so that is our collaged pocket. that goes in this book along with the other collaged pocket. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, ideas of things that you would, there's the stickers, would like to see, please put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. We're going to go ahead and put the America the Beautiful sticker right. Oh, you know what? I think the red, white, and blue is more fitting for or stars and stripes. We'll do red, white, and blue. And this will break up that this area right here by adding that in there. Okay, you see how that breaks up the boxiness of that. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here. Bye. Happy 5th of July. Bye-bye.